Alright, so I've been off most of the winter and fixing to get back out on the road. Well, as an owner-operator, I just figured maybe I'd point out a couple tools that you should have. One is a 20-ton jack, 10-ton, 20-ton, 6-ton, something to lift the rear axle of the bobtail. I got 6-ton jack stands. Okay. That's a 12-ton bottle jack. That works on pretty much any axle, honestly, even a loaded trailer. We've also got, okay, you can buy an Anvil Hammer for about 300 bucks at Harbor Freight. That works all right with the hose attached to the air tank. Got a breaker bar, 1-inch drive breaker bar with a 8-inch extension, and of course your 33mm socket for the lugs. Alright, if you invest in this equipment, you can save thousands of dollars. You literally save thousands of dollars. What I had was a bad wheel seal, so I can do it myself. You pull everything off, and see, I run the air line from the air tanks, so the torque is not all that high with the automatic, but with the breaker bar and the extension, you can get a regular breaker bar and add some leverage and bust them all loose, bust all the lugs loose, and then use the impact to whiz them off. Now, I don't know if anybody knows it as an owner-operator. If you have your tires rotated at TA, it's going to cost you about $350 to $400. That's just to rotate the tires. That's just for them to lift it up, take the wheels off, and rotate the tires. Right there, that pays for your impact. All right. If you have to do a wheel, that's not including time off. How long is it going to take to sit there at the truck stop and have that done? A couple hours. Hell, I've been in these TAs lately. It's a whole day wait just to have a flat repair, you know. Anyway, you get these tools, and you can do anything yourself and pretty much save yourself thousands upon thousands of dollars. You can watch videos on how to do a wheel seal. You can change your own brakes, and this is stuff that can be done in a truck stop parking lot with the air hose, all this equipment. You know, I mean, you can sit there. You got a 34-hour break if you're on ELDs. I don't run ELDs, but if you're on an ELD and you got a 34-hour break, or you got laid over or something like that, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg to do this stuff at a truck stop. So invest in these tools and do it yourself. It's so much, and it's not hard. It's not hard at all. Take these, when you do the wheel seal, you just take the hub off, drain your oil into a bucket, and give it a good go over with some really fine grit sandpaper on the axle. You slam your wheel seal into the hub and put it back on. There's nothing to it. Damn truck stop will charge you 350 bucks. It'll take you about 2 hours to do it in a parking lot. It'll save you 350 bucks and you don't have to wait half a day to get it done. Tire rotations, you know, I already told you, you can save $350 on tire rotations. Brakes, you can take your brakes off. Brakes are real easy. If you ever watch videos on how to do brakes, brakes are real easy. But you can bust your tires off and do it yourself. As an owner-operator, this game is about money, you know. And if you don't know how to work on your truck, you're not an owner-operator. I don't know who you are, but anyway, just trying to save you some money.